Welcome back to MD Talk Health and Fitness. Today, we're breaking down the core science of cancer, what goes wrong deep inside a cell, how DNA errors accumulate, and why the body's safety systems sometimes fail. Let's look at cancer the way scientists do, from the inside out. Cancer begins when a single cell stops following the rules. Instead of growing, dividing, and dying in an organized way, something misfires. The cell starts dividing uncontrolled, ignores normal signals to stop, and gradually forms a mass, a tumor. But the real story starts at the molecular level. Your DNA, the instruction manual for every cell, gets damaged every day. Sunlight, radiation, tobacco chemicals, inflammation, random copying mistakes. All of these can break or distort DNA. Normally the cell repairs these errors. But if the repair system misses a mistake in a critical region, the mutation can activate growth pathways, or silence protective ones. This is where oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes come in. Think of oncogenes as the gas pedal. When mutated, they get stuck on, pushing the cell to divide non-stop. Examples: RAS, HER2, MYC. Tumor suppressor genes are the brakes. When they're damaged or deleted, nothing stops the cell from accelerating. The most famous? P53, often called the guardian of the genome, and RB, the retinoblastoma gene. Cancer usually requires multiple hits, the gas pedal stuck on and the brakes failing. Healthy cells pass through several checkpoints before dividing. These checkpoints ask simple but critical questions. Is DNA intact? Did everything copy correctly? Are external signals telling me to divide? When checkpoint proteins, like P53, ATM, ATR, CHK2, are mutated, cells with damaged DNA slip through the cracks. This is a major step toward cancer formation. Cells are programmed to self-destruct when they're too damaged. This process is called apoptosis, a built-in cleanup mechanism. Cancer cells learn how to bypass this. They turn off pathways like BAX or overproduce survival signals like BCL2, allowing them to live when they should die. As cancer grows, it needs oxygen and nutrients, so it hijacks the body's systems, releasing signals like VEGF to build new blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis. Advanced cancer can break through tissues, enter the bloodstream, and spread to distant organs. This ability to metastasize is what makes cancer life-threatening. Cancer isn't just one disease, it's a series of microscopic failures layered on top of each other. But by understanding these processes, researchers are developing targeted therapies that disrupt cancer at its source. For more science explainers, subscribe to MD Talk Health and Fitness and explore our in-depth content at mdtalk.substack.com.